today is Monday. I don't even know, January 21st, I think. It is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, so there is no school. Plus, I think we're kind of still snowed in. I can actually see the road now, so I'm not sure if they're gonna have school tomorrow because if they do, my car, I didn't put it in the garage because I have so much crap piled up in there right now, and it has like a foot of snow on it. But let me check this out. I just got my package. Weird. From Louis Vuitton. So I'm gonna open that right now. I kind of look like a bum because I'm in like my pajamas. I didn't figure I needed to put actual clothes on today because I'm just cleaning and hanging out at my house. Did I already tell you what this is? It's small, so there's that. A teeny tiny little box. So I guess they didn't send me a bag. Boring. Okay. I probably should have ordered this from my sales associate. But I ordered it directly from the Louis Vuitton website. When I ordered my bag, they don't typically carry it in stock on the website, so I had to call Louis Vuitton and they tracked one down for me, and the sales associate still keeps in touch, but I recently changed my phone number for the first time in 10 years, so she probably thinks I disappeared. Oh, sad. It says my associate is smartphone. I kind of feel bad. I should have called her. But she's from Saks and, oh, I don't know, Florida. Just looked over the paperwork and look how cute this box is. I just love cute boxes. Wouldn't that be cool for underneath the Christmas tree to look like this? It's just a blank card. If you were gonna give a gift to someone. To me, from me. Got the ribbon off. We're just gonna pull this out. Got this little pouch. And too bad I didn't have a manicure before this. Why can't I get this to work? Well, I don't know how to make that happen. What's in this pouch? I'm about to find out. Oh, cute. This is so exciting. I'm so silly. I think these are perfume samples. Yay! I wanted some perfume samples. I was actually really hoping I would get some. And that's what's in here. Are they the same? No, two different ones. And I'm not going to even attempt to pronounce the names of these. Okay. Look, cute little pouch. I'm gonna turn a different light on because it's kind of weird lighting. I don't know if that's any better. Okay, so I got 2 perfume samples in this cute little pouch. And then this is what I ordered because I desperately needed it. As you can probably guess, it is a wallet, which lighting is horrible because it's so snowy outside. Let's hope this isn't focusing on my face or my nails too much, but the lighting was pretty bad in here because it's so snowy out. So I didn't know if you saw me take it out of the little pouch here. And there's a surprise inside. This is the Clemence wallet. As you can see by this pull, this is a surprise. This is the wallet that I wanted. And ooh, look at the color. That is so pretty. Let me just take this in for a moment. So they have 3 different interior colors of this wallet. There was like a ballerine, I'm not even sure the name of the colors. It's like a light pink, and there was a hot pink, and this fuchsia color. I think the hot pink is freesia. Maybe this is called fuchsia. But I picked this color because I watched several people do videos with their wallets, and I like this one the best. But what I really love about this wallet is the change compartment that is inside. That has the canvas monogram print on it, and it just breaks up the coloring. And I think I originally wanted the zippy wallet, but it has so many compartments in it, I just figured I would make it too cluttery and disorganized. What does this one have? 8 card slots, 4 on each side. And then like cash and stuff would probably go in these 2 big compartments. You can put stuff behind the card slots. And then nice zipper pouch for your change. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. Yes, fuchsia. Clemence fuchsia. Perfect size wallet for me because right now in my bag, it's scary. You just open it up and it's like shh, receipts. Actually, last night I took all the receipts out and threw them away, but there's probably money and cards just everywhere. My cards have nowhere to go, so I'm gonna put them in there right now. I'm gonna go get my purse. This is like a janky video, but it's a janky day. So yeah, I don't know if you can see in there, but there's money and everything just thrown around. I don't even, let me adjust this. I don't even really carry a lot of cash on me. I hate carrying cash because I'm so disorganized. And I always keep it in here, and I'm afraid I will pull something out. What is this? I don't know. And it will be attached to it, and I'll drop it on the floor. I've watched myself do that before, so what happens when I'm not watching myself? I usually just have change left over. No big bills today. It's just random bills wadded up. Random places. Just from receiving change back and just throwing it down there. All I found was a 5 and some 1s. Okay, I'm just going to place it on this side. Perfect. Perfect. And it perfectly matches my bag. And I do not like to put change in my bag. I don't want it to be marking up the inside. And I didn't put it in here for the longest time, but somehow it's found its way in here. So I think it looks pretty good. I got it all filled up. My cards and money. Perfect. And now I have a wallet that perfectly matches my purse. Yay! I've lived without a wallet for years. Probably. I haven't used one in a long time. I'm gonna smell the perfume now. You can't. We'll try this one today. I like this. But you just don't know until you wear it all day, I think. I love having samples. I don't know, I like this.